Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines, and it is Sunday morning at about 4:15 in the a.m. on November 17th, 2024. Well, had a busy night last night and breakfast this morning, so yay, that was good for the boss. Only had one room that didn't get sold. Tonight we didn't do quite as good. But let's see. Passed on some seeds. And for a few heirloom tomatoes and some peppers that I've been growing here regular for many years. Passed them on. My cousins and niece, nephew, I've been passing things like that to them and such. Didn't get to see my niece yesterday. Gonna try to go there this morning. Show up and say morning, wake everybody up. What can I say? Anyway, seeds. I don't know about you, but seed catalogs, I like them. As Popeye would say, I is what I is, I am what I am, and I am a gardener. I like gardening. It's always nice to have fresh, homegrown veggies of some sort. And when I had aquaponics, I could do that most of the year, which was real good. And apparently I'll be able to grow more things once I find a place to settle down over in the Philippines, so that'll be good. But I gotta find a place to actually settle down first. Was trying to figure out a few things, and I don't know. If I delay one more day, I can get the flight to the Philippines the same price, but I can save $20 on the Southwest flight to Dallas. I don't know. Another delayed day for $20? I don't think so. Because then I got to take and have extra day here and extra money coming out of the pocket still, instead of getting over there and getting my retirement going. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and pay the extra $20. But go with Southwest because they do 2 bags fly free, and be able to get over to Dallas and then transfer from there over. Because if I fly, was it United or American? I forget which out of here. Only one bag would fly free. The other one would get charged. And that puts me up way over having to, for needless to say. But it looks like that's beginning of the second week of July, which is a good thing. Get out of here and go and enjoy. So trying to figure that out and get that going. Checking I don't know, I have one bag that's a zipper bag. I don't really like zippers. Don't get me wrong, it's gonna have stuff in it I ain't really worried about. Some clothes. But don't want to lose stuff either. And yeah, having stuff disappear because I put it into a suitcase that isn't as secure as it could be. I don't know. Maybe just only pack. Yeah. I don't know. We'll get it figured out. But I think I've got enough to get it over there without having to, well, decisions on packing. So that's going to be fun. And kind of like with when I was riding around with everybody on Thursday, getting to spend time with family, I didn't buy anything hardly, unless it was for somebody else. Because, well, I've got enough stuff. I don't really need to have more stuff going with me. I already got, yeah. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have some heavy bags. So, I don't know. I got to get it figured out. All that fun, thoughts. What goes, what stays. And I need to probably try to do like get a good idea of what space I actually have and how much I can actually pack. So I probably need to try to pack something, tote it, and see how much it is and such. Packing. I've moved so many times because of my dad being Air Force and bouncing around all over when I was younger, and then bouncing around because of construction jobs. Building custom homes back when I was in Georgia. Went to Florida, went to Alabama, went to Mississippi, went to South Carolina, went to North Carolina even for a little bit, Tennessee, and yeah. And then here in Texas, I've been to Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana, and a whole bunch of places in Texas that I went to build houses. And you might only be there for 2 or 3 weeks or a month, but hey, you lived there. Hey. I know on some of the bigger ones you might actually be there 6 or 8 weeks, but you're only temporary, but hey, you definitely lived there. Pretty much any spot where you can get, where you've been there long enough to get mail from somebody. Yeah. It is what it is. But yeah, now I've got to the point I'm not trying to pack all the time, but now I'm going to go over and try to move around and pack all the time. Gotta get back in practice. It is what it is. Anyway, I got a few things that I do want to take and a few things I want to ship over afterwards once I find a place. And I need to get that stuff off in box too, so I can get it out of the way. And one of the things I'm going to start trying to work on is getting all the ammo out and putting it up into totes so I can carry it over to the gun show and have, little packs of ammo because I got a bunch of loose ammo. Hazards of, yeah. It is what it is. I've reloaded a bunch and I got a bunch of stuff that was Dad's. And yeah, all that gear needs to be packed up and made ready to go to the gun show come, I think it's either late January or mid-February. I forget which exactly. Gotta look. But hey, need to load something into the car, my gun locker, gun safe into the car, and get it over and give it to my nephew. Get it out of the house. That's always a good thing. I guess I could just sell the thing if he doesn't want it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to get back to doing a few other things, and I need to make sure I get plenty of breakfast up because still got a lot of work crew here. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. I hope you've had a blessed day. Oh, made it up to 213 subscribers, so yay. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Notification button if you wanna. Anyway, Williams Philippines, blessings, lots of food. Enjoy your weekend. I'm Fish. Fish is out.